Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where, for some reason, your Instagram account or your Instagram page or whatever, all the videos, all the reels, all the stories, whatever, maybe they're all just silent, and for some reason, the audio isn't working on any of them. Now, in this specific case, there's a couple things to do. In my opinion, though, the thing that fixes it every single time that I typically do is I open up a video. You can even be on the stock Instagram app, it doesn't really matter. You want to find the volume buttons of your phone and you want to increase the volume a little bit. You don't want to go super overboard, but you want to make it so you can hear it if you open up the video. You don't want to embarrass yourself by playing a random video. Then what I'd recommend doing is completely exiting out of Instagram. So hop out of Instagram just like I did, and you want to reopen Instagram. So at this point, once you reopen Instagram, you want to make your way back over to a video or a story. You want to go ahead and click the volume up one time, and you will pretty much hear that your Instagram audio will work all of a sudden. Now you also want to make sure that the specific video you're watching has audio. So you want to try a different couple of videos. You want to try a couple different reels. If all those reels and videos are not working, then I would recommend moving on to the next step. But if they are working, then you're pretty much set, and it was just a one-time Instagram issue. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is pretty much updating your Instagram application. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your app store just like this. Once it's loaded, you want to go and click on Instagram. So click here, and you want to go ahead and type in Instagram. So just like so, not like that. You want to go ahead and type in Instagram like this, and you want to go ahead and see if there's an update available for this application. A majority of the times, there probably will be an update available, and all you have to do is click on update, and at that point, all you have to do is just literally go ahead and go back into the Instagram application, and you want to try the same exact thing. You want to click that volume up button. You want to see if the audio is playing. If the audio is playing, then you're set. You're done. You don't have to worry about this anymore. But if the audio is still not playing, I would recommend seeing if you have any headphones connected to your device that you don't know, if you're connected to a different Bluetooth device. And if you are, you want to disconnect yourself from those devices. So on iPhones, you can make your way over to your settings and then Bluetooth connections. And if you're connected to a set of AirPods or a set of headphones or a speaker in a different room, well, you better hope it's not a speaker in a different room. People aren't hearing your stories that you're playing. But what you want to do is you can turn off Bluetooth and see if that fixes it. If that still doesn't fix it, I would recommend restarting your phone and trying it from there. If it's still not working, Instagram may just be down and you may just have to wait until they fix it. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.